For today's cook, we're going to be putting grilled picanha against sous vide picanha, and we're going to find out which one is best once and for all. This is picanha, and it is the top sirloin cap. It is by far the queen of all meats, and we in Brazil love it. If you never heard of this cut, I made a video explaining everything there is to know about it. And if you're interested on that video, make sure you check it out later on in the description down below. Now the first thing we need to do is trim it, and this is how I do it. Check it out. I started off by cutting all the excess fat and silver skin. If you are cutting picanha in steaks, it is important to cut it with the grain, as your last and final cut right before eating will be against the grain. To keep it traditional, I am only seasoning with salt and nothing else, and I definitely recommend it that way. Even though I don't always show on my videos, I always season both sides. Now we are ready for the steak battle. I'm going to be sous videing these beautiful picanhas and grilling the others. As I'm bagging these picanha, I just realized that this will not be a fair comparison if I do it this way. And the reason is, these two picanhas are the best part of that whole piece. So it would be unfair for me to use one as sous vide and the other one as grilled. So I'll be splitting them. Both of them will get the best of the picanha. One, I'll be grilling it, and the other one will be done sous vide, and we're only going to try the best of the picanha and nothing else. That will make a fair comparison. Now that we have these beautiful picanhas ready, it is time to sous vide and grill them. So let's do it. I'm cooking these beautiful picanhas at 135 degrees Fahrenheit for 1.5 hours. And I'm reverse searing these at 225 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, or until it reaches core temperature of 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that they have reached 120 degrees Fahrenheit, it is time to take out our sous vide picanha, which was sous vide for 1.5 hours. These picanhas have been cooked with 2 different methods, and they are fully cooked. As we can agree, they do not look that good right now. It is time to sear them, so let's do it. right, everybody, we have our beautiful picanhas ready. We have our sous vide picanha, and we also have our grilled picanha. Now, here's the deal. I could try them both and give you my honest opinion. However, I know somebody that is a lot more qualified in sous vide than I am. I did give him a call. He's a little picky, this guy. He likes to be cut perfectly and all that stuff. I gave him a call. He told me he was gonna be here any minute, but so I'm gonna put it right here, and he should be arriving at any time soon. We're just gonna wait. Hey, well, hello! Look at this guy over here. Some of you might already know who he is. He is from channel Sous Vide Everything. You know picanha as much as I do, my friend, and that's why I thought of you, and I know that you could be a perfect judge for this. So I want you to give it a try and let me know what you think.
Oh yeah, I do know some picanha, you know, I had some in my life.
That's right. We all know he knows about picanha, right, everybody? He loves to boil his steaks like all the time. He's the boiling expert.
Serious? You got jokes, huh?
Bro, let me tell you something. You should really try some charcoal in your life. You might actually enjoy it better than that boiling your steak where you cook in water and all that
Listen,
stuff.
you should really educate yourself on what sous vide is. Then you should really know what it is. But I'm gonna leave it at that. You invited me to try some steaks. You're gonna want to pick a fight with me? That's what you want to do?
You know what? You're right. You know, I apologize. I don't want to pick a fight with you. You are my guest over here today. I really just want you to try these steaks and give me your honest opinion on which one is better, because I have a feeling that you might like the grilled steak better.
Well,
so go ahead and try
here.
it.
You know, tell me which one is which, so I know which one.
Bro, I can't tell you what we're tasting. If I tell you what we're tasting, what is the
you're
test
being like
all about?
me now. You're being like me now.
Just try the steak and let me know which one you like best.
All right, fair enough. Now listen, you don't even have a knife and a fork. I need a frying knife and a fork.
Really? You want me to get you some plastic forks and plastic knives so that you can try your steak?
You got jokes.
You know what? You're right. I'm sorry. Everybody, I gotta pause this video real quick.
Pause the damn video,
grab this guy a little bit of his plastic forks and plastic knife, and I'm gonna let him try and give you guys an honest opinion for you guys by himself.
By myself.
So let me just get out. All right, everybody. He gave me some knife and forks for me to try this picanha for you guys. All right. Look, I wanted to make something interesting and fun for you guys as appreciation for you guys for 100,000 subscribers. I cannot thank you enough for everything that you guys done for my channel. Your support is really fantastic and I really appreciate it. I know you guys have been asking me to do this video. Google, which one is better? Is it sous vide or is it grilled? You know, I know you want me to do it, so I decided to do this video for you guys. Now, I'm gonna give them both a try and I'm gonna give you my honest opinion and what it is that I think about it, okay? So this one right here is the sous vide one, cooked to perfection. It's absolutely perfect like always. And if you cut the fat in Brazil, you will get executed. So I am not going to do that. So let's try the sous vide one. As expected, super juicy, super tender. It did get quite a bit of smoke flavor from the actual charcoal when I was searing it. Fantastic. I recommend it 100%. Now let's go to the grill. Oh boy, I'm sorry to eat in front of you. To be honest with you, there's no way that the grilled picanha is better than the sous vide. There's no way in hell, because the sous vide is a lot better. You are out of your mind. The grilled picanha is 100 times better than the boiled picanha. There is absolutely no way. What are you talking about? Absolutely not. You are out of your mind. The sous vide picanha there's no comparison. Absolutely, this guy is totally mistaken. The grilled one is a lot better, everybody. Guys, I'm joking. I hope you have as much fun as me making these videos. I want to thank you for Guga Foods reaching 100,000 subscribers. Thank you for your support. I wanted to do something a little bit fun on this video. As you guys can tell, I have a lot of fun and it's a pleasure
making this video for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I enjoy making it. It lights my day, all your comments. I read every comment, everybody. Thank you so much for your support. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe for future videos, and welcome to the family. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys on the next one. And the battle between sous vide and grill will remain the same. Do not listen to this guy. Sous vide is 100 times better. There's no comparison, everybody. No comparison. I'm sorry, this guy is trying to take over my channel. I will not allow that, guys. So I gotta cut this real short, and I'll see you guys on the next one before this boiling guy comes back and take it over again. I'll see you later. Take care. Bye-bye.